Hello everyone, so today is 23rd of November and let's discuss what we are expecting tomorrow during monthly expiry. So if you went and checked out my yesterday's video, I clearly said that for Nifty, I was expecting an up move and then there would be some resistance at around 18,335 and Nifty would be coming down, and yes, market went gapped up and then it came down. Why it came down? The reason was very clear. If you do futures analysis, then you would very well know, that is, if you see at around 10:36 am I posted this, but in the group I posted it around 9:37 कि futures निफ्टी में दिसंबर एक्सपायरी में लॉन्ग हो रहा था और नवंबर एक्सपायरी में शॉर्ट हो रहा था. तो इट वाज क्लियर दैट दिसंबर एक्सपायरी तो अभी दूर है, it's far away. So November expiry, whatever is happening, it has to, like the movement you will be seeing today itself, or maybe at max tomorrow, because it's going to expire tomorrow. Okay, so we have November expiry tomorrow. So yes, so that was the reason that we went short. So yeah, if you see here, so today, so we went short, and yes, so for that call writers were active, and then we also did some put buying, but I told that the prices would not increase. So even I told that even on yesterday's video, that is due to low VIX, I was long at 18,200 yesterday, but prices were not increasing though the market was moving higher. So that's why even today the same scenario, and prices were like I checked thrice that if today was the expiry or not, but premiums were so low. Okay, so yes, and we were expecting some more fall in Nifty at 10:16 am, and yes, so then you see that we just closed our bearish positions at the exact bottom. So if you want to know how we do this, so just go and check the live streaming I did in the past few days. The name is The Perfect Reversal. So 10:26 am I closed all my short positions. Okay, so yes, 10:26 am I closed all my short positions. So if you can see here, where should I go? Like, yeah, so 10:26 am, let's go and check here. So this is the candle from 10:20 to 10:25, and this is the candle from 10:25. So the very first minute of this candle we closed. You can see, this was, one of the bottom, like in the morning. So here I just closed all my bearish trades at just the exact bottom. Okay, so that was our short trade, and also then we went for sell on rise at around here, not there, sorry, at around here. We went for sell on rise again. Okay, so here's the thing, let's check. So yes, sell on rise at 10:57, and then there was no after that we took bullish positions, that is then futures long was also building up at November expiry. So that's why I told that I was taking put writing positions, and this update was also given on Twitter. Okay, so for Twitter members, I also give this update, that is where did it go? Yeah, put writers coming back to life. If you can see the time, 11:53 am. Okay, so 11:53. So this is the candle, 11:53 am. After this, you can see very well the nice rise. Okay, so we took I took bearish position, but with this somewhat increase, there was a very nice dip in the premium, so I booked my profit there itself. And then after that, I took positional call writing at 18,350 at 14:22, and yes, and market had to fall. That's why, like, I took the position. Why? Because at 18,300, 18,200 FIIs were having call writing positions from the previous days. 18,300 PropTechs and FIIs both were call shorts. Okay, futures, there were still future short positions which were not closed. So that's why market had to fall down either today or tomorrow. That's why I was taking positional. So I was taking at 350 because even if 300 is attacked, so finally like 300 would be giving some resistance because their FIIs and prop decks are there. So if their stop loss are hit, so I mean finally since it would act as resistance, I would be safe at 18350. So that was the reason. And for Bank Nifty also 42,700 के दोनों तरफ राइटिंग पोजीशंस लिया गया था, and that's why Bank Nifty showed both side movements. And also one more thing, like Bank Nifty went up, you don't see Bank Nifty falling that much. Just at the very end you see the fall, right? Because at 42,700 also call writers were there, so that's why Bank Nifty fell down. Otherwise if you see that there was a nice ride because why मतलब ये क्लियर था कि बैंक निफ्टी अब पढ़िए, मतलब सुबह जो फ्यूचर्स का अपडेट था वो दैट वाज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक बैंक निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स में क्या हो रहा था, खाली लॉन्ग पोजीशंस हो रहा था, और वो भी नवंबर एज वेल एज डिसंबर इन बोथ द एक्सपायरी. सो दैट्स व्हाई बैंक निफ्टी देयर वाज नो फॉल. वी वर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग फॉल इन बैंक निफ्टी. ओके, so that's why I took most of the trades in Nifty today. And also if you want to check the order list and all the trades so details, so if you can visit the channel and go to shorts and you'll get there, okay, the video. So I think even on Twitter there is the link. So yes, if you want to get such market updates, you can follow me on Twitter, and please do like the video, please. So I mean, for such updates during the intraday, like the put writing was a very nice update, I think, and all these updates like futures updates that I'm giving in the intraday. Okay, so and now you can very well see in the end of the day data, you match with the FIIs and prop decks data, they will match with the futures analysis. What I said at 9:37 in AM in the morning. Okay, so I think this deserves one like. Please do like the video, and yes, so that's the thing. And yes, here is the video if you want to go and watch. And one more thing, like if you even see the indicator, like you see the jump 937 from 8 to negative 32. So 937 was here 9. So this is the candle. So this is the candle 935. So the first 2 minutes of this candle, suddenly the score fell. So then Nifty fell, and just check here. Suddenly the score jumped from negative 40 to negative 17, 1024, and that was the exact bottom, like 1020 to 1025, and then from there, I mean, that was the exact bottom in the morning. So that's how the even so these scores are updated in the Google Drive, the link of which is in the description below, so you can go and check. And yes, so even for Bank Nifty, if you see, the scores just showed that how Bank Nifty will be performing. So you see the score just moved at around the 0 line. Okay, and then finally this was the move. So the move here started from like you can very well see like 1304 or after that. So then Bank Nifty also gave an uprise, and yes, so that was all the major updates for today. And yes, so now let's discuss the end of the day data. So let's go here. So futures long, as we discussed, Nifty futures long. So these futures long are mostly made in the December expiry. Okay, these futures short positions, some are in the December expiry, some are in the November expiry. So mostly in the November expiry. Okay, and yes, and let's come here. Option index. So the put writing positions that FIIs formed yesterday, okay, the huge put writing positions, so they are still, like you can very well see, they are still intact. And today itself they have increased their call writing positions. So these put writing positions are being mostly made in Bank Nifty, and call writing positions are mostly being made in Nifty. Okay, so in Nifty it's at 18,300 and above, and some are at 18,200. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. And for the call writing positions and Bank Nifty, it's 42,600 and below, the put writing positions are there. Even at 42,700 put writing positions are there. And yes, and I think yes, and also you see that like you'll see the call buying. Okay, so I mean call has been also heavily bought because huge call writing has been done today. But if you notice that yes, there has been some more call buying. So I think I mean they are just to save their the positions that are below 18,200 and below. So I think to save those positions they have also made some more call buying. So yes, that was the thing. And yes, for the futures short also, if you see, like with this same quantity, futures short also has been done. So there is another way to see these buyings, that is they want to hedge their futures long as well as futures short. So due to futures long, they might have done some put buying also. If it market falls, then they might be able to utilize their put buying. But again, let me assure you that what they are doing is basically when market is coming down, they are closing one of the positions. Like suppose market fell, then they would be closing their call writing positions, and then keeping their call buying positions, they would add extra call buying positions and suddenly taking the market up. So that's how I was able to capture these perfect reversals. There's suddenly like the premium jumped. Okay, so that's how I got to know that now like they have started booking their profits. So yes, so that's how the thing is working for currently. And yes, so the overall like yes, since the call writing positions have been made today, so I'm expecting there would be some resistance for Bank Nifty also, like you whatever be the resistance and support, so like you would see both side moves again. Okay, so we have in Nifty, we have a very nice resistance at 18,335, and below you can find resistance at, let's see, so below you can find support at let's say 18,150 or 135. Okay, not more than that. So yes, both side moves are expected tomorrow. And yes, and for Bank Nifty, it's mostly like the support would be coming here at 42,000. You see, we talked about this level yesterday also. So 42,547. Okay, so 42,550, that would be the support, and at upper level 42,700 can act as some resistance, but we'll see what fresh positions are getting formed tomorrow. So yes, overall like market would give both side moves. They both the big players have the big guys have both side positions, long as well as short. And even just look at the PropDex data. So if you see the PropDex data, put writing has been done, huge call writing has been done. Okay, but if you see for the PropDex, like they have more put writing positions. Okay, so that's the thing, they have also done call writing, huge call writing. So if you compare the additional, like the difference, so then you will notice that the PropDex have done more call writing than put writing today. So yes, call writing will be favorable in the first half, I guess so. So let's see first. So since I am taking positional call writing positions, if market opens and I get a nice premium, so I'll just close it straight away, and then I'll look for fresh opportunity. Okay, first I'll book my profit. And yes, and let's come here. For futures, you see that almost the same, and yes, they have decreased their futures short. So nothing to conclude mainly from there. So overall, like both the sides, the big players are having positions. So be careful tomorrow. You see almost the same quantity for, they haven't closed their put writing positions, the FIIs. Okay, though they were getting a very nice after the big jump, there was a very nice erosion in the premium. So still they didn't book their profit. So I think they are not expecting a huge fall, and since most of these put writing positions are in Bank Nifty, so I think they are feeling safe there. So yes, Overall, yes, upside would be limited, also downside will be limited, and yes, but volatility will be there. And also, let's see how the premium works tomorrow. So tomorrow is even expiry. So today itself the premiums were very low. So if the premiums are very low tomorrow, then writers would be having problem, because if suddenly some move comes, then the writers would be trapped. Okay, so yes, tomorrow is going to be a risky day, but again, let's see what happens. So if those who are just don't want to take any risk, I think Nifty 350 would be good enough. If this resistance doesn't work at 18,335, then only you can close. Otherwise, I think you see today also it worked very nicely. I think tomorrow it should also work. So that's all my updates for today. And also, if you see, like, FIIs are constantly selling, okay, in the cash segment, so that is one concern. And also, like, overall market, if you see, so I mean the advances are more, but almost they are converging at the same point. So yes, that's what the updates are. Like, we will be expecting both side moves. So first, let's see where market opens, and accordingly we will decide, okay, and what the fresh positions will be formed according to that. So yes, please do like the video if you liked all the analysis and the updates that I gave on Twitter today. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one. Bye.